Revolutionary War, Battle of Saratoga by Coy Comics. These are the people: American General and General John Burgoyne. American soldier and a British soldier. You can tell they're different because of their colors. Let's go! General John Burgoyne is thinking of a plan. Then he gets an idea. Separate the colonies so they cannot win. Dun, 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 dun. The Americans took over the British fort. Attack! Bow! We got the fort, boys! Yay! Walking, General John Burgoyne gets an idea. Don't go to Albany, go to Philadelphia. Pew, pew! Hey! What? No scopes! Why? In the comic, it is 1777. Oh, okay. Foop. Grumble. Go find food. Okay. Did you see the bush move? Ah! Daniel Morgan. Oh man, this is a long walk. Thump, 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 thump. Whoop! Zooming in on binoculars. Nay and stuff. That is an officer. That is an officer. Ah. Bow. Attack! Boof! And eventually, the British won. More people. The British are coming. Yeah. Is my fist gonna be useful? Yep, it was useful. What did I tell you? No tech. Self-destruct. Beep. Bah. Boom. Scope. Bah! Running. And as the cloud rolled away, poof! We won! And America won. The end. Thank you for watching Coy Creates. Like and subscribe. And remember to hit the notification bell to see what I create next. Thank you for watching. Bye!